Kilarigbo, ètò tí a fi ọ̀nà àrà gbé kalẹ̀ fún ìgbádùn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti mú àwọn òṣèré jàǹkànjàǹkàn súnmọ́ yín pẹ́kípẹ́kí fún ìròyìn tó perégedé bó ṣe ń lọ lójú agbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
One love, ladies and gentlemen, is not a small thing. I feel like me Bovi start this talk, but if you start and if you roast all of us first before you I feel like make Timaya start this talk, but the same thing, Timaya forgive us how to manage Uku and all this. But man, Shina Peller is a wonderful man.
Yes.
I don't know what else to say about Shina Peller. Shina Peller is an inspiration to so many people. Like, he has a way of grooming people, maintaining people. Shina Peller, I don't know what to talk about you. You understand? You too much, man. Make I know they describe you when you did for here. Look at they won't talk to you direct. You too much. That's the only one sentence that I will use to describe you. You too much. I happy say 2 days inside here because you too much. So one love, happy birthday. You are fortified. Welcome to the fortified world. You know. Me, this year I go enter one above. Me, I was 45. I was 45 3 years ago. This year, me, I go be 43 by September. But Shina Peller be 42. One love, man. One love. See, there are many things that happen in Nigeria that we don't understand. Many things. One of them is the fact that we have come of age, but somehow, we are not the ones that are controlling things. Because some men decide say then they there and they go come out. I'm happy that you are going into politics. You are contesting for, you know. No, he's going. He's going, and I know that me, for one, even though I'm not from that place, I'm going to vote. This man no go ever leave. They no go ever. They will never ever carry it and give it to us. We will collect them. We get to collect them. We don't get any film trick. There's no film trick about it. But we get to arrange ourselves. We get to coordinate ourselves. We get to behave ourselves. We get to show our working. Shina Peller, happy birthday. One love to you. I'm talking too much on that side. I hope I'm not boring you with all that talk. But Shina Peller, one love. You are too much. More blessing. And more blessing for all of us, man. More blessing. Who are going to get first? Hello. Good morning, good evening, good night, everyone. Our elder has said it all. You know, I don't know why I'm here, because I never did 45. I'm just a young man. This year I will be 38. So I don't know why I'm here, but they said I'm picking with washing hand where I go do with elders. Well, I don't know. I just want, anytime I have the microphone, I just want to say something. Thank you all for coming out. Thank you for supporting good music, and God bless you all. Shina Peller, I have to say something too magic. I bet just do this magic, make these politicians come out. Huh? I didn't want to start. I bet do quick. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. Right? All right. Hello.
Man on fire!
I greet. Hello.
Man on fire!
Timaya.
You are not the only child here if you call yourself a child. This year I'll be 39. And I know say that you're 38 now, your music age. But not you let us gather here. Ladies and gentlemen, Shina Peller is such a wonderful fellow, but I always use the opportunity to say my mind when anybody's celebrating their birthday. Shina, we're happy for you. Happy birthday. But you get what you do for many years where my mind not the feel, let me tell you. You invite me and you tell me, yo, Bovi, just tell them the bill is on me. They go come put the bill on you, but they must come out 2 bottles put on me. So whether or not the tax, I don't know. Even now, they don't come meet me where I sit down and say, I did my own when they invite me for birthday. Timaya, your receipts, they wait you there too. And they tell you. So, waiters and waitresses, the bill is on the celebrant, yeah? When we get to the 40s league, 40s gang, we will pay. You understand? But for now, we that are in our late 30s.
Oh, in a lie. Not lie. You are 41.
You see now, you want me to expose ourselves. You that I was rocking your music when I was in secondary school. Look at your beards. Shina, we just want to say happy birthday to you. And like Two-Face said, we support the moves you're making, especially politically. You get what I'm saying? I mean, if we have senators who can be singing and dancing, we can as well have senators who provide the platform for us to sing and dance, right? So, happy birthday to you. We wish you long life, and we wish you success in everything you do. You're a very good family man. That's one reason why I like to associate with you, because you take care of your wife and your kids. And let me stop there. You take care of business, basically. Happy birthday to Shina Peller. All right.
We're going to cut the cake, SP. We're going to. You kept saying one word, risk. And it's true. As a young person, if you don't try at any time in your life to take risks in any business that you do, you have a big problem in conforming to whatever that's happening around you, because a lot of people don't want to say, I will do this. You just want to be comfortable to do things as it affects your well-being. You just say, okay, Baba, it's balance for me, man, do one like this. But Shina Peller kept saying, he did this squealers. We remember that time. No, Baba will cut cake, forget. Well, now Baba na talk. Once Baba don't talk, I need to just stop my talk. But Baba must still talk one, I beg. I check him. Baba talk. I need to ask you first before I help you. Hello. Baba talk. Baba, if you say talk, I will talk. If you say stop, I will stop. Give it up for Two-Face! Two-Face, and he hope, your baby drink, oh. SP, don't put your hand. I don't need to talk again. Everything does spoil. Put your hand, because Two-Face is obvious. If you come on here, me, I be come out. Put your hand for the cake. We are going to spell, I would have said let's spell politics, but everybody's not a politician here. So we are going to spell the word risk. I know why. Now, no, not love. We know one love is the regular one. But for the youths here, you have businesses you want to do. It's not only Shina Peller that is going for politics. Jollof is here. He's also going for one. He's going to another party. But he's taking it upon himself that he must go and do it. So, we're going to spare risk. Yes. Let's change the game. We don't spare law, spare care, spare breast, spare bola. Let's spare risk. That's very important. Please, generally, give me a letter R. When I know whether I have to spell and complete it. Give me a letter I. Give me a supersonic S. Give me a concombility K. What's the word? Read. So, are you on fire on me? What kind of birthday is this?
Kilarigbo, ètò tí a fi ọ̀nà àrà gbé kalẹ̀ fún ìgbádùn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti mú àwọn òṣèré jàǹkànjàǹkàn súnmọ́ yín pẹ́kípẹ́kí fún ìròyìn tó perégedé bó ṣe ń lọ lójú agbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.